second example is A, B, and C are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2:1. C is given a guarantee that his share of profit is any given year would be not less than 12,000. Each and everything is silent. Who given guarantee to the who? So that type of guarantee is called a firm to partner. Firm given guarantee to partner C. Who is bear any deficiency amount of the guarantee A and B simultaneously bear these guarantee. So profit for the year, suppose 60,000. 60,000 distributed among A, B and C in the ratio of 3:2:1. That means 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. Minimum amount of a C is 12,000. So less amount is 2,000. 2,000 rupees borne by A and B. In which ratio? Whatever ratio is given in the question. The ratio A of A and B is 3:2. So 2,000 rupees distributed among A and B in the ratio of 3:2. That means A bear 1,200 and B bear 800. 1,200 subtracted from A's amount and 800 subtracted from B's amount and 2,000 added in C's amount. So revised profit after guarantee is 28,800 for A. B's profit is 19,200 and C's profit is 12,000. Suppose if C is given a guarantee that his share of profit in any year, given year, would be 12,000 and borne by A and B specifically mentioned, ratio is mentioned, specifically mentioned, borne by A and B equally. So deficiency amount 2,000 borne by equally 1,000 and 1,000. If specifically borne by A and B is given in the question, you ignore the previous ratio. If each and everything is silent, who bear the guarantee? Or in which ratio? That original ratio to be considered for distribution the deficiency amount. Is it clear?